So I think we want to pull the battery first, and I think this is a situation where alcohol is going to be required. So grab a drink. Easy peasy, like that. Most of the tape came up, most of the adhesive came up, some of it's in there, but I'm not gonna fuss with that because we're not reusing this. Key is I gotta get these parts out now. Let's see, so I see a screw here, 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 and here. And then we have tape here. So let's tackle the tape first. And let's see if we can work the corner up. Sometimes you gotta use the sharp tip, and then other times it's better to use the blunt edge, I've found. Don't want to cut that up. Wished I hadn't. I probably won't reuse this black tape. I've got some Kapton I'll probably use, because it's getting pretty banged up. Taking it out of here. I'm guessing Kapton will be adequate. Okay, that's far enough for what we're doing. Nope, I think they just, oh no, there's a little right there, but we already had enough alcohol to lift it. Looks like another one of these grounding things. Do not have straight access to them, which is a little... Come out of there, you little guy. Does this, looks like it's kind of wedged in there, doesn't it? There we go, that sprung it free. I'll probably, oh yeah. Once we get this out of here, I'll take the chance to clean that up some. Oh, I see there's a little piece, oh, there's that screw, he came out easy. Yep, looks like the difference in color is just so you know which is which. That's thoughtful. Oh great, that's actually connected to this, so no worries. Oh, I see, so there's a little bit of double-sided foam tape that goes on the bottom here for these components. Let's see if we can, we got alcohol all over in here, that might, yeah, I'm gonna need just a little more and we'll worry that up so we can reuse it, hopefully. This is how it goes, just take it easy if you want to save it. So we'll just poke that in there and it'll dry out and hopefully land where it needs to be. Might be, it's possible I'm overdoing it here. I think a lot of folks just kind of leave some of these things out, you know what I mean? Oh, well, that was nice compared to the ones on the side earlier. Am I not lined up here? Hardly. I spoke too soon, didn't I? Oh, okay, yeah. Lesson for you young folks. Don't tighten all the screws till you got them all started. Or wait, don't tighten any screws till you got them all started. Is that how it goes? Now, let's tweak this around here. Yeah, okay, and it was the silver one goes down here. This was the long one. Right? Right. There's that. Okay. Now, let's take a look here. So it goes like this. Oh, that ain't sitting right, is it? Okay, so I don't know if this is, I'm just looking at this here, and the back in particular is higher than, see, and I do think it goes that way. But the back in particular, it's not that it's not settling down in here, it has, as well as it's gonna. But the back sets higher than on the original part. But what I'm gonna try and do is change the angulation on these tabs to match, and then hope for the best. Now it could be that I'm in for a world of pain here, because I may like make this part fit and then find out like nothing else fits anymore, you know, like the main board and the frame may not go in here with this sitting there. There we go. But I think we can get these screws in now. Ooh, coming together like a Swiss watch. Hold of it here, good. Running out of hands again. All right, then we should be able to get in here. Perfect. Got a hunk of that good and sticky film we were using before. Now, I don't want to make a mess of these if I should need to take it out later, so I think I want to cut like a strip to go up top there. So how's that look? Yeah, we can get that in there. I don't think that hangs out too much. Okay. There we go. Again, this particular adhesive wants a lot of pressure. Oh no, I thought I had eyeballed it so carefully. How bad I screw up here. All right, I think I got it. Let me see, I moved it down like maybe a 1/4 inch. So I'm hoping that's gonna